Hello everyone, in our last lecture we have done exercise 3.1. Today we'll start with exercise 3.2. Before starting with exercise 3.2, I would like to tell you about some basic definitions regarding exercise 3.2. Your first definition is even number. Even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2. Okay? If we consider an example, for example 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. All these numbers are divisible by 2. Now moving on to odd numbers. Odd numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2. Okay? Which are not divisible by 2. If we take an example 3, 5, 7, 9. These all numbers are odd numbers. Okay? These two definitions you have already done in your previous class. Next is your prime number. Okay? Prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors. Prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors. Two factors. Now you will ask me, ma'am, what are the two factors? Two factors is 1 and the number itself. Okay? Suppose I will take an example 5. 5 is a prime number. Why 5 is a prime number? Because 5 is also a factor of 1. 5 also comes in the table of 1 and 5 also comes in itself. Okay? So, prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors. Okay? Now moving on to your third definition, that is composite numbers. What was prime number? Prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors. Now what are composite numbers? Composite numbers are those numbers which have more than two factors. Like suppose if we take an example of 6. 6 also comes in the table of 1, 2, 3 and 6. So 6 has how many factors? 6 has 4 factors. 6 has how many factors? 6 has 4 factors. First is 1, 2, 3 and 6. So what are composite numbers, beta? Composite numbers are those numbers which have more than 2 factors. Okay? The most important definition of your exercise 3.2 is twin prime numbers. What are twin prime numbers? Twin means 2. Okay? And prime, you all are aware what are prime numbers. Okay? Now what are twin prime numbers? Twin prime numbers are a pair of prime numbers. Okay? Twin prime numbers are a pair of prime numbers जिन two prime numbers का difference will get as 2. Okay? Suppose 41 and 43 both are prime number. Okay? Now we need to see either they are twin primes or not. What we'll do? We'll do the difference between these two, and the difference between these two is 2, which shows that the pair of 41 and 43 constitutes twin prime numbers. Okay? All of you got it? Chaliye. Next we'll move on to. Now you all are aware of what are even numbers, what are odd numbers, what are prime numbers, what are composite numbers and what are twin prime numbers. Now in exercise 3.2 we have some questions regarding this, what we have discussed. Okay? Firstly, your first question is prime numbers between 50 and 100. What you need to do? You have to tell the prime numbers which are between 50 to 100. Okay, let's start. We have 51. Okay, we have 53. We have 59. We have 61. Okay, we have 73. We have, that is 67. We have 73. We have 79. Then we have 81. After 81 we have 91, 97 and here I also have 89, 91, 97 How many prime numbers I have? 51, 53, 59, 61, 67, 73, 79, 81, 89, 91 and 97. Okay? What you need to do in this question, you have to write the prime numbers which are between 50 to 100. My next question is what I need to do. I need to tell the even numbers which are between 40 and 60. Okay? What you need to do, you have to tell the even numbers which are from 40 to 60. Okay? Let's start. The numbers between the even numbers between 40 and 60 are 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56 and 58. Okay? That was all you have to do in this question. Hope you all get this what I am trying to say. Next is all the odd numbers less than 20. Now what you need to do, you have to tell all the odd numbers which are less than 20. Okay, let's start. Firstly, let me tell you one thing, what are odd numbers? Odd numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2. So all the numbers which are less than 20 as well as they are not divisible by 2 are the odd numbers less than 20. Let's start. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. These all are the odd numbers which are less than 20. Okay. We have done prime numbers between 50 and 100. Next we have started even numbers between 40 and 60. Next we have done all the odd numbers which are less than 20. Now I'll move on to twin prime numbers. Class, let me tell you one more thing. What is twin prime number? Twin means 2. So what are twin prime numbers? Twin prime numbers are a pair of prime numbers whose difference is 2. Okay. I have 1, 3, 1 pair. What is the difference between 1 and 3? It is 2. Next I have 5, 7. After 7 I have 11, 13. Then I have 17, 19. Then I have 41, 43, 59, 61. Then we have 79, 81. Okay? These all are the pair of twin prime numbers. How they all are pair of twin prime numbers? Because their difference is 2. Next question is you need to tell the prime and composite numbers which are less than 30. What are prime numbers which have only 2 factors? What are composite numbers which have more than 2 factors? Now what you need to do, you need to tell the prime and composite numbers which are less than 30. Okay? Firstly you will write prime. What are the prime numbers less than 30? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Next I have 13. Then I have 17. Then I have 19. After that I have 29. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number, 13 is a prime number, 17 is a prime number, 19 is a prime number, and I am also left with 23. So these all are the prime numbers. Now what you need to do, you need to tell the composite numbers. Okay? What are composite numbers? Composite numbers are those numbers which have more than 2 factors. Okay? We have 4, 6, then we have 8, we have 9, we have 12, we have 14, we have 15, we have 16, then we have 16 16, then we have 18, after that I have 20, okay, then we have, after 20 I have 21, after 21 I have 22, then 24, 25, 26, 27, then I have 28. These all are the composite number. They all have more than 2 factors. Let us take an example. Let us take 14. 14 also comes in the table of 1, then it comes in the table of 2, then in the table of 7, and in the number itself. Okay? Next, what we need to do, we have to express it as the sum of 2 or more prime numbers. ठीक है, we have 15. हमें 15 को इस तरह से एक्सप्रेस करना है कि जब हम इसको ऐड करें तो जिन नंबर्स को लेके हम ऐड करें that numbers should be prime numbers. Okay, we have 15. I can write here 13 plus 1 plus 1. 13 is a prime, 1 is a prime, and here 1 is also a prime. Or next combination, what I can do, I can write 11 plus 3 plus 1. These all are prime numbers. Okay, आपको इस क्वेश्चन में बेसिकली क्या करना था, what you need to do, you have to add the prime numbers. ठीक है, आपने सिर्फ प्राइम नंबर्स को ऐड करके अपना नंबर बनाना था, whatever is asked to you. ठीक है, next part I have 13 and next I have 37, which you need to do yourself. Okay, next is question number 7. What you need to do, you have to express it as the sum of twin prime numbers. Class, we have already discussed what are twin prime numbers. ठीक है, twin prime numbers are a pair of prime numbers whose difference is always 2. ठीक है, what you need to do, you have to express it as a sum of twin prime numbers. You will write 41 plus 43. 41 is a prime number and 43 is also a prime number. ठीक है, next part we have 120 and next I have 36, which you need to do yourself. Next is question number 8. As the sum of two odd prime numbers, you have to express it as a sum of two odd prime numbers. That means the numbers which you are choosing, they need to be odd as well as prime. ठीक है, इस क्वेश्चन में बेटा आपको इस तरह से ऐड करना है कि जो दो नंबर्स आप लेंगे वो ऑड भी होने चाहिए, दूसरी बात ये कि वो प्राइम भी होने चाहिए. ठीक है, we'll take here 37. Is 37 is odd number? Yes, 37 is odd number. Is 37 is a prime number? Yes, 37 is also a prime number. Next I have 5. 35 is also a prime number. 5 is also an odd number. Okay, so this completes your exercise 3.2. Next exercise we'll do in next lecture. Thank you.